Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by cutting power and isolating variables. Remove the batteries or the rechargeable pack and wait 10-15 seconds so residual charge dissipates. Once done, restart the console or PC to reset Bluetooth or wireless radios. Make sure the controller contacts are dry and free of corrosion. Clean gently with isopropyl alcohol if you see grime. This step resets state and rules out simple power faults, which are the most common causes of blinking lights. Now you move into active reconnection and firmware checks. Press and hold the controller sync button for 3-5 seconds and watch the LED pattern. It should change to pairing. If blinking persists, connect via USB. Wired mode bypasses wireless radios and lets the device update firmware. Make sure to check the Xbox Accessories app or console system updates. Outdated firmware can cause continuous blinking because the controller is stuck in a handshake loop. Once updated, test wireless. Finish by isolating remaining hardware faults and applying a hard reset. Try a factory reset sequence if your model supports it. Hold sync plus LB and RB for 10 seconds to clear settings, then retry pairing. Next, test the controller on a different console or PC to determine whether the issue is with the controller or the original system. If blinking persists after these steps and firmware updates, you likely have a failing radio or battery. Contact support or plan for battery or wireless module replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.